Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in this today's newspaper of Wednesday, October the 14th, 2020. Yes, the second one is a medium Sudoku, and this one will be number 1750. Oh, yes. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27. I already have counted this, and if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, then this will be with 27 printed digits, a 1-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. Well, we have a 2 here, we have a 2 over there, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, alright. Let me see. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair within this big square. Alright. 7. Three. Alright. 4, 4, 3, 2. Can I do something with the 3? No. How about the number in this big square? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, so the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. In this column, a 9 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 9, 6? We have a pair. In this row we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this row are the 7, the 9, and the 6. We have a 7 here, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. The 7 goes in these two boxes. The 9, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. This should be a 3. And this should be a 5. Yes. Alright. Yes. 1, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Let me think. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. I cannot continue with the 1. How about... Yeah. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then the 6 in the third row, the 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 7, 8. 2 boxes left. In this row, the missing numbers 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. No. We have the 9 here. Here cannot be a 9. This should be an 8. 6 and the 8. Mistake. Correction. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Oh, 1 box left in this column should be the number 8. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 8. With the 9 as a pair, that means 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be the 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. Well, we see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. Wait. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. We have a 1 and an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be the 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 1. 1 number left in the second row for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And in a few seconds, I will continue with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.